Looking to build a website or funnel this year? Well, I have my top 5 tool recommendations for you and your business. Stay tuned. Are you trying to figure out what platform to use to build your website or funnel? Well, look no more. I'm going to share with you my top 5 recommendations on where you should be building your website and your funnel. Tech tool number 1, it's WordPress. It's been around for a long time. And if you need to build a homepage, a section to build your blogs, because hopefully you plan on doing a lot of blogging, then WordPress is the one I would recommend. It will integrate with a lot of other email programs and things like that. It's a lot of plugins to make your homepage super fancy. It's got all the bells and whistles. So if you take a look at the back end, it might be a little bit complex looking initially until you kind of get the groove of things. But if that is something that you plan on focusing on primarily this upcoming year is blogging, then I would highly recommend that you use WordPress. Tech tool number 2. This one is perfect for anyone selling lots of products. So whether you're selling physical products like pens or Ariel would call it thingamabobs.
You want thingamabobs? I got 20.
To digital products, so courses, maybe worksheets, PDF documents, but you have more than one, I would recommend Shopify. Not that I wouldn't recommend it if you only had one, it's just it might be a little bit much. You may not need it quite at that point, but if you know you're planning on expanding your store, then I highly recommend Shopify. With Shopify, you own your store. If you have your store on Amazon or Etsy and you rely on that, and suddenly there's a customer, a disgruntled customer who complains about you and either Amazon or Etsy shuts you down, you're at their mercy and you have to fight to get your store back up. At least when you have it on Shopify, you'll be able to own your store. Another major bonus to Shopify is that they even have apps where you can build funnels connected to Shopify. So Shopify has all your needs when it comes to your homepage, some marketing funnels, your store. You can connect it to a lot of different email programs for follow-up emails. They do an amazing job at sending receipts, tracking numbers for your shipping, all of those things. That's perfect for physical products and digital products. Tech tool number 3. This one is Clickfunnels. As a Clickfunnels certified partner, I have to go back to this platform because it is what I've spent a lot of years working within. I'm not going to say it's perfect in all ways, but it is very good at getting the job done. It's simple, it's easy to use, split testing is easy, being able to edit text, edit images, super easy. So if you are looking to just create a homepage, such as my homepage, I ended up just building it on Clickfunnels. All I wanted was a simple page that told people who I was, what I do, and click this link and you can book a call with me. That was it. And I didn't need to have a blog. I didn't need a store. I didn't need any of those things. So I just ended up going with Clickfunnels. Tech tool number 4. This one is fairly new. They just launched December 2020, and this is called FG Funnels. And I also recently became FG certified. So FG stands for Funnel Gorgeous. And I had gone through Julie Stolian and Kathy Olson's certification course under their company Funnel Gorgeous and just got certified. They just launched FG Funnels. And what I love about FG Funnels is that they come jam-packed with some amazing templates. So if you're not a designer, this is a great one to start. They are more marketing funnels. So if you do have lots of products to showcase like a store, this is probably not the right platform for you. From a blogging perspective, I think the SEO is definitely not as great as WordPress. But what I love about it is that within FG Funnels, you can do email, you can do text message, you can do voicemail drops to your list. So these are some great features that they're really great at. plus you get the templates, and plus it's easy to use. So that's what I love about FG Funnels. Tech tool number 5. My tech tool number 5 is the email platform ConvertKit. Also something that's been around for a long time, but not all platforms can do everything well. Like for example, I don't think Clickfunnels does it super well. And so instead of going from paying $97 a month to $300 a month to include the email, I would prefer to tack on ConvertKit, which is much cheaper, first of all, and I think it does a better job with the emails. Same thing with FG Funnels. I think for initial emails, certain businesses it can work really well, but for the kinds of automations that I want to do where we can tag people as they come in, wait a few minutes, and then have a certain email go out, maybe a sequence of emails go out. I really do like how ConvertKit does that really well, and it's just easy to be able to visually see. They have a much more visual presentation of how these automations are working and these flows are working. And so I highly recommend ConvertKit for the email. So that wraps up my top 5 tech tools for 2021. So if you are looking to build a website or a funnel, here are some of the best tools that I would recommend for you. And so if you have any other questions as to how these could apply for you, or maybe you have a more specific question for your business, leave me a comment below. I'd love to answer those questions for you. So let me just recap. Number 1, WordPress. Number 2, Shopify. Number 3, Clickfunnels. Number 4, FG Funnels. And number 5, ConvertKit. I hope this was helpful, and Happy New Year's, everyone.